Create an entire movie with AI. Step-by-step guide using free tools. 2025. Introduction. Welcome to the future of filmmaking. Have you ever dreamed of making a movie, but the thought of massive budgets, complex equipment, and endless crew members held you back? What if I told you that in 2025, all you need is a vision and a laptop to make it happen? Today, I'll guide you step by step through how to create a full movie from scratch using free AI tools. No expensive software or years of filmmaking experience required. Let's dive in and unlock the future of filmmaking together. Section 1. The groundbreaking potential of AI in filmmaking. Filmmaking used to be reserved for Hollywood giants with million-dollar budgets, but AI is changing the game. Imagine crafting an immersive storyline, stunning visuals, professional-level editing, and even lifelike voiceovers, all with tools that are absolutely free. AI is democratizing storytelling, empowering creators like you to bring your ideas to life without barriers. This isn't just about creating movies, it's about unleashing creativity for everyone, everywhere. Section 2. Crafting your storyline. Let's start with ChatGPT. Every great movie begins with a compelling story, and AI is the perfect writing partner. Using ChatGPT, you can generate unique story ideas, develop characters, and craft gripping dialogue. Here's how. Open ChatGPT and prompt it with a theme or genre. Say, a sci-fi adventure in a post-apocalyptic world. Let the AI suggest plot twists, character arcs, and key moments. Refine the script by collaborating with the AI, ask for alternative endings or deeper character motivations. The result? A Hollywood-worthy script tailored to your vision. Section 3. Visualizing your story with AI image generators. Next up, transforming words into stunning visuals. Tools like DALL-E and Midjourney can generate high-quality images based on your script. Here's the step-by-step. Take key scenes or character descriptions from your script. Use detailed prompts like a futuristic cityscape at night with glowing neon lights, or a lone warrior standing in a windswept desert. Generate and refine your visuals until they perfectly match your vision. Organize your images by scenes or characters to streamline the animation process later. Section 4. Bringing images to life with AI video tools. Static images are powerful, but movies are all about movement. Enter Runway ML and POPPYAI, tools that turn your visuals into cinematic animations. Here's how to do it. Upload your generated images and add simple instructions like pan across the cityscape or zoom in on the warrior's face. Use AI transitions and dynamic camera effects to create fluid, engaging video sequences. Download and organize your animated clips for editing. Section 5. Enhancing your film with soundscapes and music. Sound is the soul of any movie, and AI tools like Epidemic Sound and Free Sound make it easier than ever to source perfect audio. Use ChatGPT to suggest sound effects for each scene, like rustling leaves or epic battle drums. Layer ambient sounds and music tracks in editing software to match the mood and pacing of your film. Adjust volume levels to ensure dialogue and background audio blend seamlessly. Pro tip: subtle soundscapes can elevate even the simplest visuals into something magical. Section 6. Editing. Like a pro without breaking a sweat. Editing is where everything comes together, and tools like DaVinci Resolve and CapCut are perfect for crafting a polished final product. Import your animated clips and sound files into the editing timeline. Add transitions, color corrections, and cinematic effects to enhance the visual flow. Use AI-powered features like auto cuts or voice syncing to save time and boost precision. Section 7. Creating voiceovers with 11 Labs. Want your movie to have lifelike narration or character voices? 11 Labs lets you clone your voice or create unique ones. Record a few sample lines to train the AI. Generate voiceovers for narration, dialogue, or even background announcements. Sync the audio with your visuals for a seamless experience. Section 8. Packaging and sharing your film. Once your movie is complete, it's time to share it with the world. Here's your roadmap. Export your final cut as a high-quality MP4. Create a custom movie poster using AI design tools like Canva. Upload your film to platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, or even indie film festivals. Don't forget to promote your masterpiece on social media using engaging thumbnails and clips to draw viewers in. Conclusion: your cinematic journey starts today. Who says filmmaking has to be expensive, complicated, or exclusive? With these free AI tools, you now have the power to create stunning movies from scratch. It's not just about technology, it's about unlocking your creativity and sharing your unique perspective with the world. If this guide inspired you, smash that like button, subscribe to Authentic 2AIT, and share your thoughts in the comments. What's your movie idea? Let's talk about it below. Until next time, keep dreaming big and creating boldly. The future of filmmaking is in your hands.